When we sat down to plan ANDA, we thought it was going to be much more difficult to determine which grammar points to delay and the rationale for the delay. But as we began to map out the project and as we received feedback from colleagues from across the country, we found that there was much more agreement than we had dreamed with regard to first-year textbooks and the increasing difficulty of completing them, some being spread over multiple years, others not completed at all. Some beginning programs teach grammar points that the ACTFL proficiency guidelines don't treat until the advanced and the superior levels, much more than what we would expect a first-year student to know. So the universal agreement was that students do not need to worry about past subjunctive, passive voice, sequence of tenses, etc. until well into the second year of study. The elementary course then can focus on the present tense and its irregularities, the preterite, the imperfect, reflexive verbs, object pronouns, those grammar points that allow students to describe the world around them and to narrate events in the past with a certain degree of accuracy and confidence. In slowing the grammar syllabus, we have found that students assimilate those concepts and can use them in meaningful ways, as opposed to racing through them one by one, retaining very little. So with ANDA, students have the opportunity to practice, recycle, recombine, truly learn. And with the support of the rich, out-of-class learning environment of My Spanish Lab, we are finding that the classroom no longer needs to be the place where we spend a lot of time talking about the language. Rather, it is the place now where we spend a lot of time talking in the language.